Play if you play with.
Oh, thanks. This is
Do you like it?
wait. Yeah, sure, yeah. I like it. I kind of have this urge to bring someone else here.
Who would that be?
Man, there's just like so many names just popping into my head.
Yeah.
Maybe when Minaa comes back.
Or getting a little crazy here. It's my job, but
I love my shadow. It looks so evil. Alright, you're finally here. Alright. There we go, my iPhone. Thank you very much. Where's Wolfir?
it's pretty loading the map because
I need her! I need her! For
Why?
episode 3, okay? My where did the phone go? Did I glitch? Oh no, it's right here. I need that. Don't judge me, okay? I can't pick it up. Oh, there we go. Where's Wolfir? We need her for episode 3. Alright, what's up guys? This is Aseity, 420XX Naruto X Sasuke XOXO 420 plays it. And we're with Slik here, you know, the usual. And we got one of our best buddies here, Wolfir, joining us in our Call of Duty pre-match. We're gonna totally go into the MLG tournament. You hear that? Oh yeah, and these are gonna be my 2 crew members. We're gonna have 420 blaze it, 420 degrees no scope. Oh yeah, you heard that right. Alright guys, so that's what I just wanted to update you on this vlog. I'll talk to you all later. Make sure to subscribe and like and leave a comment, because if you do, you enter a chance to win 500 iPhones. Yes, I'm gonna send you 500 iPhones directly to your mailbox. You heard that right. Alright, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Peace.
So why did you want to come here as?
I needed to do that vlog. Oh my god. What happened? Oh, she's trying to pick up the phone. Here. I have to do it for you. She actually cares about me. Unlike no, unlike you trying to murder me every time.
You see this? You see this?
You don't have feelings. You're a killer. You don't have a soul.
killer.
Killers don't have souls.
I'm not a killer.
You need to kill me.
Am I a killer?
Look at her! You're like, am I a killer? And she's just like, with her tongue. I like how she put like dynamic phones to her tongue. It's amazing.
So what's the real reason why you want to do it?
Oh my god. There's a police alarm outside my house. They're here for me. I gotta run! Kill him so bad. No, I can't reach it. I'm too small! I need it so bad! I need it. I'm so small, guys. I can't pick the chainsaw up. Oh my god. Okay, let me change avatar really quick. I can't pick this up. I'm too short. No. I'm so sorry. Wolfir! 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 Oh, there you are, Wolfir. Back away, Slik. I'm gonna chop you off into tiny little pieces, just like your doll, okay? You better back off. Better back off. No. Alright. I'm sure we could settle a deal. Wolfir? Yes! Take that chainsaw and kill him! Kill Slik for me! Do it for me, Wolfir! End this once and for all! Wolfir? Wolfir, no! No, how could you? How could you? No, Wolfir! No, that's Wolfir.
I've been working on animations recently, and I have a big room to myself now. I no longer live with a cunt for a roommate, so there's my bed. So
Does that roommate happen to be a penguin?
It's meant to be my roommate, but
Oh, roommate.
cut and then paste it into.
Oh, okay.
where I can run around, walk around and shit. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Like, I have a dragon that I tried animating and shit. It has a moving tail and a moving mouth so far. I had to redo the whole thing because the FX got deleted in Unity. And I spent fucking 5 hours redoing it this afternoon.
Oh
Wait,
my.
it is moving. It's nice and cute, right? Do you want to pet it? Yeah, pet it. Good boy.
He's petting it. He's petting it, mate. Yeah.
How are you two? Aseity and Wolfir. Yeah, I'll friend you both because you seem like actually block that guy. I wasn't meant to block you, I was meant to friend you.
Oh my god!
He actually blocked you. Sorry.
I'm so sorry. I don't mean. I don't mean. What's the word?
Rude. I don't mean to be rude.
You're wasted.
Rude. Yes, that's the word. You should love me, right? Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I've made 2 new friends already. I'm just like good at doing it. This guy keeps inviting me. I've got fucking 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 invites him already. I don't want to join him. Oh wait, he would like to join. He's gonna join. I soon to invite him, so please invite him. He's a German guy, but he's not gay, but I called him gay anyway, so call him gay. When you first meet him, just say he's gay.
I haven't got anything, so...
I mean, I'll ask you again. Mr. Sister Fister.
No, did.
I've accepted.
I just immediately fell in love with that guy. I'm kind of curious how he is like.
Oh wait, I'm not in.
I'm kind of curious how he is when he isn't drunk.
Oh, he's not like that at all. I can tell you that for now. Like, right.
He seems very talkative when he's drunk.
But yes, that is a good question. Where did he go?
Ask what?
Minaa.
Minaa. To what?
Yeah. To make you a cake.
Are you fucking kidding me? He's gotta ruin the whole thing. Hey, you crappy bartenders, get me some drink. I'm thirsty. He's been putting like hand sanitizers and tomatoes. I could use that after the awful flu I just recently had. Like all this other junk crap in this French onion soup. Oh look, Minaa, I found your favorite fruit. I found your favorite fruit.
Why is the banana my favorite fruit?
I don't know, maybe because I have a screenshot of you sucking onto one.